Hi, my name is Tanvi, and I'm a student at NYU. I was the first person in my family to go through the American college admissions process, so I wanted some help and guidance on how to be successful, and I found just that with Solomon. I was paired with Michelle. She was the best college counselor I could have asked for. She was extremely pumped with all of her responses. She was so supportive when I was doubting myself, and she helped me make my application the strongest it could be. Um, Something that I struggled with a lot was my personal statement. I didn't know what to write it about, I didn't know how to write it, and she really helped me find a topic that embodies me and my characteristics very well. And she helped me write it in a manner that conveyed who I am and who I am as a student. I also really appreciated that she was very prompt in all her responses and that she was realistic with me while also helping me strive for the best school I could possibly get to. She was the best college counselor I could ever ask for, and I think that I owe my spot at NYU to Solomon and Michelle. So thanks.